Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about goals again, this time setting up a master schedule. So to begin, I've got some sticker sheets here ready to go. I've got some highlighters for some color coding, and I've got these sticker books from which I pulled. Okay, so we've been talking about goals, and so I went ahead and set up a goal section in my planner. We have the vision board, which was the very first video, and then we did some project sheets for those kind of task-oriented goals, and then some habit tracking sheets for those habit type goals. And today we're going to talk about kind of setting up a routine or like a master schedule for your planner so that you kind of have a guideline on when you want to do things and how you want to do them throughout your day and at what time periods. So I'm using an old planner sheet to set up this master schedule, but while I'm doing that, let's talk about the morning routine and habit stacking. Habit stacking is a strategy of grouping together new habits with current tasks. It's a way for you to not overwhelm yourself with trying to create new habits, but basically creating a connection between current habits and habits that you want to develop so that it's more of a seamless routine. I started doing that with my morning routine using the wake up and pray. Basically, you're going to wake up every morning, and then before I even get out of bed, I want to do that morning prayer. That's a way of kind of connecting two things, one that I'm already doing and one that I want to develop so that it's more cohesive in my routine. Another thing I'm doing is linking together my coffee and vitamins. I want to be more diligent with taking my vitamins. So by linking my morning routine of having my coffee and just making sure that while I'm there waiting for it to brew, just add my vitamins and take those right away, and that all kind of works together as part of a routine, something that I won't forget because I'm already doing something as a repetitive task. So we're going to start off with just kind of setting up these sheets, and I'm going to go ahead and cover up the dates at the top with these flags so that it's just a Monday through Sunday look, no date. So kind of creating that master schedule for a full week. As I kind of set this up in a more generic format, we can talk about time blocking. It's a way for you to create time in an otherwise maybe busy day, and by limiting yourself to certain blocks of time to achieve certain things, you remain more focused on those things at that time, and you also carve out time where there might not seem to be any. I know we're all really busy and it's easy to just get kind of swept up in the day, so time blocking is a really good way to figure out how much time you want to devote to things and kind of weed out that wasted time that we all have in our days that maybe could be more productive. So I'm going to go ahead and do kind of a sample day for you guys based off of my morning routine. I'm just setting up the basic schedule that I would be blocking time out for, starting with my waking up and spiritual time in the morning. So I kind of have set up from 7 to 8 to really just focus on my spiritual goals, which is, just spending more time with God. And you can see I have to pray and the Bible read and the verse write all there in that first hour of the day. I think just setting aside that time and then developing that habit will be a great way for me to remain consistent. And it's not really putting too much on the rest of my day, because if I wait till longer in the day, I'm sure that I will get sidetracked, and it's just better to start with a clean slate. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up scheduling out my day based off of my morning routine and the other items that I usually complete during Monday. While I'm doing that, let's talk about color coding. Color coding is a method of organizing your schedule visually based off of how you divide your time. You can do this in a number of ways. You could do it in order of importance, you could do it by task, and you can also do it by category, which is the way we're going to be using it here on the master schedule. So basically I'm making a key here on the side and organizing things under certain categories in my life, including spiritual, health, work and goals, personal and social media, and a living room in case there are other categories that I want to add in as needed as we go. It's just a way to visually see how much time you're devoting of your day into specific categories that you want to focus in on. It's just a great way to kind of see where you prioritize your life and how you spend a majority of your time. My goal in this section of the master schedule is to carve out more time to devote to goal setting and goal achievement. So I'm using yellow, it's a bright color, and I'm hoping that that'll help draw my eye, and I'm also blocking out quite a bit of time in order to make sure that happens each and every day. One of the great things about this is that you can carry through your color scheme into your daily planner or your monthly planner or weekly planner, and that way you can put a focus on whatever category you are trying to hone in on any individual week, and it's also that visual representation of that category or goal. It also is a reinforcement of what you're trying to achieve. So I decided to just kind of put some stickers there at the bottom. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do there, but yeah, I think that that will be good for now until I decide if I want to do more of an evening type thing. And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!